Hello everyone! So, we're gonna make a beautiful strawberry tart. So in the previous video we've made almond cream, we've made a sweet pastry, and that's all we're gonna need actually, and later on a bit of creme pat. So, the sweet pastry is hard, and we're gonna roll it and put it into this ring. So remove the cling film. Up. A little bit of flour. I'm gonna use maybe just that much for this. This can be rolled out into little sablés or do 2 tarts. So you're gonna have to work your dough, your pastry, make it playable, and then a quick round shape. You can't over touch it because it's quite soft. There's lots of butter, so it becomes very soft quickly. Flour, and now we're gonna roll it. With a bit of flour, if it becomes sticky. A nice thickness, you know, like ½ centimeter. So you have a bit of a bite into your tart. So I'm using this. You can use a fork. My ring, I'm gonna just put a piece of some butter all around so it stick the pastry on the edge. Flip it over. Oh, here's a crack, it's okay. Not too worry. Okay, so it's over, yeah? There. Then you bring the sides onto the edge. So you leave a little step here, you see. Push it in. So there's a little step all around. Remove the excess. And then you push it back up. So you have a nice edge, even. Yeah. And it goes slightly higher than the ring. This is fine. And then we are transport it onto here. So you can go oh la la very fast. Like that. Or you can, hold on, use a cardboard. It's safer. There you go. Like that. Then we're gonna put some almond cream. So it's a bit soft. So we're gonna pour it. If it's a bit harder, you can pipe it. And we're gonna pour it to the 2/3 of the height of the pastry. I like doing my strawberry tart with a base of almond cream because it gives a nice sweetened cushion of almond flavor with the sharp fruit on top. It's banging. So this is gonna bake 170 degrees until it's cooked. So basically around 20 to 25 minutes. A nice golden color on top, and you always have to check the bottom with a knife or a palette knife. You lift it up a little bit, see the color. There you go. Okay, so the tart base is ready. Well, I think. It has a nice brown color. So what I'm gonna do, instead of trying to lift it up like that and maybe try to break it, I'm gonna slide it on a rack and check at the bottom if it's cooked. Oh yes, look, it has a nice brown light color. So this is ready. So we're gonna let it cool down. And once it's cooled, we're gonna finish our strawberry tart. Okay, so the tart cases has cooled down. So it's beautiful. See, it has a bit of bubble actually, but it has a nice color. So now I see that little cushion of softness. Very good. So I beat some creme pat. I'm gonna pipe some on top. So to stick the fruits and to give that little creamy yeah. Up. So that. And then we're gonna stick the fruits on top, yeah? So those beautiful strawberries, obviously they are English. They become quite popular in the world market. They're really nice. When I've been traveling to Dubai, they're having only the English strawberries. And when you think Dubai always want the best, so it's a good sign. So if they are big, cut them in chunks, different kind of shapes. If it's too small, I will cut it only in half. Whatever, really. You're all gonna go down in the same place. Okay, so then I'm gonna place my little strawberries. I'm gonna put them a bit randomly. It looks more fun. But the game is to see as less as possible cream. So I start with the edge, then it's easier to fill it up. Actually, we could mix fruits. Can put some pineapple, kiwi. Looks very colorful, and summertime is really refreshing. What I love to do also is to use some frozen raspberries, put them on your tart instead the strawberry, or mix both, but they are so juicy once they are defrosted. It's really nice, better than fresh raspberry actually. Nearly there. There you go. Beautiful strawberry tart. So now we're gonna glaze it. So to glaze it preserves the fruits from drying, and also it looks nice because it's shiny. So basically I'm buying my glaze myself. I'm not doing it because I will use too much of it. So it's simple, it's a clear glaze. I think it's sugar, water and gelatin. And some people using pectin also, natural gelatin. So once your glaze is ready and hot, we're gonna glaze it. So I'm gonna hold it in my hand and pour the glaze on top. It looks already better. It's quite heavy. You need to be careful because it could crack. So what you can do is just to leave it on a rack. Because I'm doing it like this way because I'm used to it. But if you leave it on your rack, you can just tap it like that. It'd be safer actually. Yeah. And that's it. What a little beauty. I'm gonna put a nice cards underneath. There. Voilà. A little strawberry tart. That's all.